Tonight at 6, a man has died from carbon monoxide poisoning after police said the gas built up in an ice house where he was fishing. The White Earth Police Department responded for a welfare check on Norcross Lake, that's northeast of White Earth, on Saturday. Investigators say 37-year-old Nathan Ray of Borup, Minnesota, died from carbon monoxide poisoning. White Earth Police remind everyone to take precautions when ice fishing. They say every ice shelter should have a carbon monoxide detector. Be sure to test that detector regularly and keep vents clear.